Point Driving School. Our DVSA-approved driving instructors will help you practice around the local driving test routes and make you test-ready as soon as possible. No matter where you live in Bath, our experienced, qualified, top-rated 6-point local driving instructors ready to help you. Our 6-point driving schools in Bath provide great, affordable driving lessons in Batheaston, Bathford, Bathwick, Bradford-on-Avon, Larkhall, Lower Weston, Southdown, Weston, Whiteway and local areas. We provide manual and automatic driving lessons, intensive and semi-intensive driving courses, motorway and refresher lessons. For more information you can give us a call or send an email for a member of our bookings team to call you back.